I'm going to take oil. Open that cover. Yes. On the right, yeah. Sheila, take something and clean. Clean the ear. Now you see, these are the roots. Sheila, can you see? Are you learning, right? Don't laugh at me, I'm not joking. You have to learn.
I see them do this all the time.
Yes, you have to learn.
I've always wanted to try, but I wasn't allowed.
Leave it. Let me watch. Tell me what's going down. Mary, are you learning? Yes. This is ginger. Yes, hummus.
It's never mustard.
Yeah, so it tastes nice. You know? If you want your fruit to taste nice, you have to taste. And just taste inside.
It looks good and it will taste good.
And I hope you're going to eat.
I have a chicken leg.
That's what you guys like.
That's why there's so many chicken legs.
In Africa, yeah, chicken leg is only for bono. Yes, in Africa, chicken leg is for bono.
Well, Mama eats the chicken leg if she wants.
Yeah, because now she's in Europe, she changed. Now I'll finish this. Sure, this is lemon juice, okay?
What's that?
This is garlic
Ooh.
and spring onion.
And from the blender?
Yes, I blended them. Yeah. I just hope you're learning. Yeah? You're not only watching Auntie doing it. By next year, Mary and Priscilla, you guys are going to cook for us.
That looks like the garlic.
Yeah,
You
this is
cook
garlic.
for us.
And you.
You cook.
Yeah.
Then how can you cook eggs? For
For
yourself?
myself.
So you can only cook for yourself.
Yes.
Not for Sekolah now.
I have time to cook for everyone else.
How come I have time to cook chips for everyone?
Fasting. Sheila,
Yeah.
put the same Maggie.
Open how many?
I want two.
Two.
Mary, leave it to Priscilla.
No. Why open
No, this one. This one.
so nice?
You know next to you here.
Yeah.
Mary and Priscilla going to cook for us.
I'm actually eating this.
Yes, it's far. Yeah?
Very far.
It's not far. I will ask you if I go to this. was supposed to do this last night. Yeah, but I wanted you guys to watch. Because I want you to learn, know how to cook. Because you're going to grow up.
But I know how to cook pizza, burger.
That's all you know.
No. Chips.
And
Garlic, rice, beans. That's me. Pasta.
do you know how to make garlic?
Eggs. Pasta, eggs. Crepes. I know how to cook.
Me too.
But I just can't remember all of the things I know how to cook.
I'm doing this one.
When I'm no, Josh, stop!
Guys, stop making noise.
No, I'm. Josh is opening one. No, but she's opening one now, but she's opening two.
Sorry guys for the noise. This is my nephews and niece making noise in the background.
You are.
Joshua, come and sit here. Joshua, come here.
I'm done with the Maggie.
Okay, thank you. Good girl. Give me one.
Oh, that smells good.
Joshua, here. He said auntie. Give me that almost. Joshua, what is this?
Catfish.
Oh, catfish, yeah? So, Priscilla, what did I mix inside? What did I put inside?
Maggie, lemon, mustard, garlic, spring onions blended together, and another garlic, and mustard, oil, and oil. I think
That's
oil.
And oil. What kind of oil?
Sunflower oil.
Oh, wow. So you guys are good. You have
I
good
can see
name.
them over here.
Ah.
But why does the catfish smell so good?
Yes, that's right. I
And
mixed
it
this
will-
because so that it will smell good, okay?
Why did you have to cut the catfish in its back?
It's
Because I wanted it.
because the seasoning has
Look
to
at
be
the
inside.
mouth.
So, are you guys going to eat catfish or chicken?
Catfish.
Chicken.
You want chicken?
I'm a both.
Mary, you want chicken?
I want both.
Hey.
Me too. I want both.
Yeah,
too.
don't joke. If you say you want chicken, my dear, you are going to eat chicken.
I want to eat
I'll
both.
try some.
Jesus.
Catfish is the best
Auntie,
fish.
I want to see the fish.
I like
the
the fish
catfish
that Mama
mouth. I want to see the
oven.
catfish mouth.
You want to see?
The catfish has a smile. I want to see the catfish mouth.
Auntie removes all its teeth and its insides, intestines.
I want to see the open mouth. I want to see the
It
tongue.
has no more teeth.
I mean, I want to see the tongue.
The tongue's
Yes,
gone.
quiet, quiet.
How?
Okay. Oh, Mary.
Something like going.
This one's a small one.
Yeah.
starting to get hungry.
Yeah, we're gonna cook soon. We just need to get fire first, right? We need to get the sticks.
Okay, let's get this back.
My husband only had 45 minutes before the job.
Look when we get the end there. That's where we need to go to get the sticks, okay? We're having a lot of fun, right?
I know, but it's so tired.
I wonder what mommy's doing right now. I don't think she's having a lot of fun.
Oh, for real. Nice.
No, this is catfish.
Bruce Torrens from every Premier League game.
Happy New Year, Uncle Farage.
There's some sticks. Look, these are the sticks we want, okay? So we need to get a lot of them. Yeah, make sure it's not wet, okay? It has to be dry. Yeah, this is good. Good job. How do you know?
It's perfect.
You remind me when me and Dad used to do it. My dad. He used to show me how to fix sticks so fire comes out. Is this good or
I
bad?
don't want to eat the head. I want to
You
eat
don't
the
want to eat the
body.
head.
No.
The head what?
I think Sheila is going to eat the head.
Well, if it tastes good, then yeah.
The head hard?
Running out of days.
It's good.
Where's yours? Okay, get it, Noah.
The fish is ready, but
I think you have enough
chicken isn't.
So much fun.
Just put it back for 15 minutes and then Come and see how to wash that rice. Some people wash rice. How much is 2 times the rice? We are putting for water just to steam it. So after putting this, you have to leave it fry it, and then you put some.